How to add extra baggage in trip. So friends, this guide I will show you how to do step by step. Go to Google and search for trip manage additional baggage and then click the first result. This is how you can add extra baggage allowance. All you have to do, go guys your account, click on upcoming trip and then click on baggage details. Check your trip you want to add the baggage, and then guys click add baggage allowance, and then guys after click add baggage allowance, you see this weight of baggage, for example 5 kilograms or 10 kilograms or 15, and then click pay. This is the amount you want to pay. The same thing guys, if you go to official trip website, click login and then look for trip option. When you log in with your account guys, for example I want to log in with my Google account, and then click continue. After that guys, look for a trip from here, my booking or something like this, or you can go to manage my account. So guys, just go back again, click on my booking. From my booking, look for a trip from here, and then you can add extra baggage from your trip. This is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.